Hello guys, welcome to Apodels Multimedia here on this channel. Today happens to be on the 16th of February 2022, and we have the opportunity to visit Precious Gift Bilingual Academy School. We are having a program in the school which is a very, very wonderful one that other schools would have to emulate this, and they call it the art of cooking. In fact, before we came here, we thought that it was just the JHS, the basic 7 pupils only, but no, it was something different that all the pupils, all the students are really participating in this art of cooking program. For me, it is a first of its kind, and I believe you have to have a feel of the program itself. So follow, let's go and then learn more here on the channel. This is going to be very, very delicious. Okay, I'll be back. So see you. Hello. This is basic. Hey, and what is happening here?
Spring roll.
Wow, sumptuous spring roll, crispy.
Now we have our vegetable shop. We are steaming our sausage and then pizza.
Lovely.
And as you can see, now the cake is going to be
Yeah. We have Madam Abba is also here. Madam, what are you doing to help us with our spring roll? You are just, going an errand. Okay. Okay. Okay, so I'll be back, okay? Bye.
So as you can see, our flour is steamed. We added sugar to it.
Okay.
And then we have added butter to it. And then we are mixing it for it to mix together.
Exactly.
So that we can add our egg and milk to it. Yes. So today our pancakes are going to be so special. Now, hello, Tona. Give it so let's go.
That's right. So this is basic what? Basic 4 people. All right. So when the food is ready, I'm going to have a taste of it. Okay. Okay. I'll be back. Okay. See you. We are going to basic 7. This is basic 7, right? Basic. Okay. So good morning, class. Okay, so what's cooking? Wow, and it goes with what? Light soup, it will go with what?
You're going to take it with rice.
What's up with you? Get knife for us. Obi esonga for knife. Oga go for kuma. Hello. Okay, so this is basic 7 and 8 pupils. You are preparing, light soup that goes with rice. There was a fast acid in here, but lovely. Okay, I'll be back during the next class. Hello.
Hi.
Good morning, people. Good morning, learners. They say we should say learners, right? So, what's cooking here? Spring rolls. That's right. Okay, so this is basic what? Basic 6 people with Madam Facilitator Esther Nankasa. Lovely. And you see, Madam, what's your spring rolls? And you see, I don't hear crispy and I'm I'll be some shots so. Into the money, I got a banana. That's right. Into in the and you it's banana in the it's banana there. Obi, I got it banana also no. It's banana one more you okay, into okay, all members are some. What are the ingredients of the spring rolls? Give me 2 ingredients. Some of them are running away. What? Carrot is 1 ingredient. Okay. What about you? Give me 1. Hey, let me go in myself. Spring onion. Okay. What about you? Green what? Pepper. All right. And then you? Sausage. It's an alternative ingredients for spring roll preparation. Okay. So we have the sausage here. We have gizzard. You're going to steam. Okay.
And then now come to the flour.
Exactly.
For the spring rolls.
Okay, so. Okay, I'll be back. Basic 6. See you.
And Sinkaka Cry as a Jumetan Abenewi or ye Precious Gift Bilingual Academy. 1 program watching it in Oye at the Art of Cooking. Yentumana Yamfa 4 videos Nintuma from bro, but at least we've been able to give you a little bit of what actually went in there at Precious Gift Bilingual Academy. This school is located at Tarkwa on the road from Sinai Kwabedu through to New Atuabo, a bit near to Doctor's Flat. So please, you can make your way and send your words on admission there at Precious Gift Bilingual Academy. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for bringing you more on schools information here in Tarkwa and its environs. Please subscribe to the channel, press the notification bell, and always stay glued, and remember that we have more for you in terms of education related, and as well as programs that has got to do with private schools in Tarkwa here. Until we meet again on this channel at Apodel Smart Media, this is Ochechrenyi Apiamensa. See you, hear from you once again. Bye bye.